Hi, this is Corina Wecker here, and I am talking about my reflection on the educational technology project implementation that I reviewed in another video that I will link below in the description. So, my project focused on bringing the backward design model specifically into my school with our sustainable engineering and how we're going to roll that out to different grade levels in a realistic fashion where everyone would be a lot more buy-in. And what I would do differently with this is be a lot more collaborative with not just the people that I was talking to that obviously I felt were invested, but also other technology influenced teachers who could give me insight into how they're doing it at their school with their signature programs. So I would definitely reach out more and get their feedback or even hopefully insight. And then what was the most important thing you learned from the project experience so far? As I said, collaboration. Really just feeling like you're not all alone with these ideas. And it's great to get data and to help corroborate what you're talking about, but also just to like bounce ideas off of. I really was more so an island on this project, and going forward, I am definitely bringing in more peers and educators to talk with. And then accommodations, you just need to be flexible. That is something I learned from day one, going through even with Teach Now, is you have to be ready with all your stuff in case Wi-Fi is not out. I've seen it where the students, they have testing and you were counting on a lesson happening. So that was something that was so important with the backward design model, is that it's all laid out where I can just have to move something across in the dates, but it can still apply and still be rigorous and amazing for the students. They're not going to miss out on anything just because maybe the access wasn't there that day. And then timeline, I got a lot more buy-in from educators, especially with the project. When I showed them date by date how this was going to roll out, it just felt more feasible. Like instead of them having to figure out how they were going to fit it into their timeline, I offered this, and then they were just totally accepting of it and really supportive. So that was something that I think at first I was a lot more cautious. Like, okay, well, are they going to be okay with these dates? But as soon as I even showed it to them, everyone was like, yeah, I'm game. So the most important thing I would learn from this whole project is just being so confident and being like, okay, this is what I want to do. Are you guys game? And everyone was. So that was really great. And then how might you use what you learned from the educational technology project in your career as an educator? This really showed me more so how to put together an entire presentation to get buy-in and then also get everyone just more involved. Everyone was so excited to be helpful and say, hey, this is what I can be here for you and I want to help you. And also because it involved them. They want to be a part of it. They don't want to just be, okay, this is happening to me and being passive. And so I just absolutely can see this happening realistically, and I'm very proud of the work I've done, and also my peers in this program. Everyone has just done just amazing work and putting in all this time and effort into research and data and making sure that this can actually work at their school. This isn't just busy work. This is actually something that you're going to use. And has this experience changed your personal definition of educational technology from when you started the master's program? Absolutely. I would say at the beginning, I thought it was going to be just a research heavy, which it was, but more so this completely changed a lot of people's, I would say, role even at their school, just from talking with peers over the course of this project. A lot of people changed from being, social studies to everything, like helping implement tech at their school, especially with distance learning happening. And so just being supportive and being there, and then knowing you have the skills and tools, that was so important, because prior you always feel like you know a little bit, but now you knew how to implement it. And I just feel, confident really just speaking with others and helping them in any way that I can. So I just want to thank you for listening to me talk about this. And I'm very proud of the work that I put in. Also, my colleagues in this program, I think everyone just gave their full effort, and it really does show. And I'm really excited to see, the how all of it develops. So thank you so much, and bye.